How to make a stylized mushroom. First off, I'm going to add a circle. I'm going to go into the values and change the vertices to 12. Then I'm going to go into edit mode and click F to fill the face. Now I'm going to go into side view and click E to extrude up and S to scale out. I'm going to repeat these steps to get the stem. It doesn't have to be exactly like I did it. And then I'm going to click Control to subdivide and then right-click to shade smooth. Now I'm going to add another circle. Go into the side view again and extrude up, scale out again, extrude up and scale down. This is going to give me the top. And then I'm going to click F to fill in the face and then Control B to bevel it. Alt-Shift select to select the bottom and fill that face. Bevel those edges. And then I'm going to click I to insert the very bottom face and then click G and move it up. Alt-Z for X-ray mode and then just scale it up. Control 2 to subdivide it. Right-click and shade smooth. Move and scale it up again if you want. Then take a cube and scale it on the Z-axis. Control 2 to subdivide it. And then you want to click this next to the magnet and select Center, Face Project, and Align Rotation to target. Now when you click G and hold Control, it'll snap onto the mushroom top. Duplicate this a few times. Add a material, and this is how you make a mushroom. Thank you for watching.